Hi friends, here again with another unboxing review, the new handheld endoscope by JULAIWY. Let's open it. This has 3 hours and a half battery life and USB type chargers. You charge it here, you see? Good. Adjustable LED lights, no apps, no phones, and no Wi-Fi needed. Nice and HD color display. 1080 pixels for high definition images. You can use it for plumbing, inspection, mechanical. This is waterproof. Let me show you how to use it. Friends, you can check this out. Click in the link below. Thank you for the support. I'm Enrique76 and see you another video.